Lions Club, which is a non-government organization, is among the few NGOs in Nakuru County that contribute extensively in different societal programs. Eye problems, hypertension, and diabetes are some of the diseases that affect the majority of human beings in this era. Lions Club of Nakuru have taken a notch high to solve these illnesses. Addressing media on Saturday in Nakuru County, where over 2,000 patients got free eye checkup, diabetes, and hypertension check, Lions Club District Governor 411A Zulfikar Mamuji had this to say.
2,000 to 3,000 people where they will be screened for their eyes, they will be checked for diabetes, and their blood pressure and body mass index will also be taken. They will be given free spectacles, and those who are detected with cataract or any other eye problems will be operated free of charge at our Lions Eye Hospital in Nairobi. The club here holds this particular camp once a month so that we can reach out to the people and touch their lives with hope, because most of this blindness is reversible. And more so in the elderly and the children, our outreach program has really brought tremendous impact and effect in the lives of children and the elder, who are able to see once again. The children have started studying properly because first they could not even see the blackboard. The elderly who were dependent are now independent because they can move around. And together we would like to carry on and change lives as Lions and as humans. And we also encourage everybody to join hands with us so that we can carry on this work.
On the other hand, Lions Club of Nakuru President Michelle Shed adds to say,
we are honored to have our district governor at our eye camp here at opposite Easy Coach Nakuru. Today we try to target about 3,000 people and serve them with any eye problems, ailments. Once that is done, if any is detected with cataracts or a squint or something like that, Lions Eye Hospital in Nairobi will come, collect them from Nakuru, take them to Nairobi, have them operated, all at free of cost. We are also planning to have these camps every monthly, so maybe we can serve them on at large. Next month we are planning to hold a medical camp. Maybe we'll also give you the further details to that.
Clinic Officer Prudence, who is an eye specialist, tells us the causes of these eye problems that sadly also affect children nowadays.
Especially in children, we understand that in the weather which is very cold, mostly seasonal, patients tend to have the allergies. Others also have allergy to dust and even to perfumes, soaps that smell, and even the oils or lotions that have smell. Some patients react to them. And even smoke areas, yeah, things like those. For the cataracts, mostly is age. People that are aging get the lens opacity, and even trauma causes cataracts. And even there are kids that are born with cataracts, which is congenital. Most commonly, if the mother did not go for antenatal clinics, so they usually tend to have some diseases, which we call the torches, that risk the babies to congenital cataracts.
When one is found with these eye challenges, he or she can get help from the Lions Club, as Prudence suggests.
For the allergy, we put the people on drops. Others get injections for the allergies. And the others get glasses, those with refractive errors, short-sightedness, long-sightedness, they get glasses.
Nakuru County residents did not hide their joy after Lions Club came to their help.
Nimefurahi sana kwa kuwa pamoja na wao Lions Club imefanya kazi nzuri na mashirika ya Red Cross na Women's yote, tunafurahi yote. Tunafurahi.
Tulikuja hapa asubuhi by 6 tulikuwa hapa na tumeshangaa, tumeona kazi mzuri Lions Club wamefanya. watu wamejitokeza. Nimekuja hapa, niko na watoto wawili wa shule, nimeleta mama, na ile taratibu wanatumia imetufurahisha sana sana sana. Kuchekio they are free of charge. Watu wametoka mbali na wamekuja. Hakuna corruption hapa, unakuja unapewa namba, unapewa matibabu, unarudi unaenda nyumbani. Kila kitu ni bure. Na tumeshangaa kuona watoto wachanga sana pia wana hii ugonjwa. Tulikuwa na watoto wa 2 years, kuna watoto hata wa some few months, kuna watoto wa mpaka wa 5 years. Wote wako na hii shida ya macho. Naona ni kama labda ile malezi na ile chakula tunakula kama inachangia sana kwa hii ugonjwa.
Reporting for Manoti TV from Nakuru City, I am Isaac Manoti.